Defrosting meat is a crucial step in the cooking process that can affect the texture and taste of your dish. In today's video, I'll show you how to defrost meat safely and effectively, using 3 different methods. Hi there, I'm Sabrina, a food enthusiast from Bloggingoodfood. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Before we begin with the steps, let's go over some crucial tips to ensure the perfect reheating of meat along with taste preservation. Tip number 1. Always wash your hands and any surfaces or utensils that come into contact with the raw meat to avoid cross-contamination. Tip number 2. Avoid leaving meat out at room temperature to defrost, as this can encourage the growth of harmful bacteria. Tip number 3. If you're short on time, using a microwave to defrost meat can be a quick option. Just make sure to follow the instructions carefully and use the defrost setting rather than full power. Tip number 4. If you're defrosting meat in cold water, make sure to keep changing the water every 30 minutes to ensure it stays cold enough to defrost the meat safely. Here are the 3 safe and easy methods to defrost meat. Follow along to learn how. Method 1. Defrosting meat in the fridge. Step 1. Place the frozen meat on a plate or container and place it in the fridge. Step 2. Allow the meat to defrost in the fridge for several hours or overnight, depending on the size of the meat. Step 3. Once the meat is fully defrosted, it's ready to be cooked. Method 2. Defrosting meat in cold water. Step 1. Fill a large bowl or container with cold water. Step 2. Place the frozen meat in a sealed plastic bag and submerge it in cold water. Step 3. Change the water every 30 minutes to keep it cold and continue the defrosting process until the meat is fully defrosted. Step 4. Once the meat is fully defrosted, it's ready to be cooked. Method 3. Defrosting meat in the microwave. Step 1. Place the frozen meat on a microwave-safe dish. Step 2. Select the defrost setting on your microwave and set the timer according to the weight of the meat. Step 3. Turn the meat over halfway through the defrosting process to ensure even thawing. Step 4. Once the meat is fully defrosted, it's ready to be cooked.